हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट चैनल हन्विकास क्रिएटिव गैलरी। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इंटेलिकिट का एक नया किट एक्सप्लोर करेंगे जिसका नाम है सॉर्टिंग प्लांट्स। सो आर यू ऑल रेडी? एंड यस, let us all start it and enjoy and learn many things. Let's get started. Hello Hanvika. How are you? Thank you. So what you are going to make today? Flowers. And where you will put flowers? In the board? Okay, now right now where you are putting flower plant? Inside the? Where you are putting? Yes? Inside this? No. What is there in your hand? What is there? This is what? What is this? Tell me. Plant. And what is in your left hand? This side. Show me. That one. Yes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Pot. Show me properly. Show me pot. Show me properly. Wait. Very nice. Okay, so you're going to put flower plant inside the pot. Speak loudly. Okay. Yes. Should I help you? You can do it by yourself. Okay, do it.
अब इसको दूसरी से फिर मैं आपकी हेल्प कर दूंगी।
नहीं, आपको तो आता है. You can do it.
हाँ, आप मेरी हेल्प करी तो मैं आपकी हेल्प करती।
Very good. You have done it? Very nice. Now, which color pot you want to decorate?
This part.
Which color is this?
Purple.
Okay. Which color pot you will take? Purple. Very nice. So friends, you can see how nicely she is doing in one go with full interest. Wonderful. Done it very nicely. Very nice. So here she is trying to prepare another pot again of purple color. Am I right? Yes, this is of purple color only. Which flower plot you are making? Purple. Very nice. And what is the color of pot? Purple. Okay. No problem. Put it fast. Put it on the board. Very good. You have completed purple flower pots. Very nice. Now which color flower pot you are going to make? You have done purple? Yes. Yes. Now which color flower pot you will make? Yellow or red or blue? सब लगाना है. ओके, सबसे पहले which color? Yellow. Okay. Open and put. You have done it. Show me properly. Show me. Very nice. Very good. Yes. Very nice. Next. Red color. Which color flower pot you are making? Red. Okay.
Red and blue.
Yes. So Yashita, what you are making? Flowers or flower pot. Very nice. Very nice.
Actually,
Then Which color flower pot you will make now? Okay. Yes. Princess Kid is very wonderful for performing activities and for the development of the child. Wow. हाँ बहुत सुंदर है भैया. हाँ ये क्या बनाई हो तुम? भैया ये क्या बनाई हो? Flower pot. Okay, very nice. Okay. Now which color flower pot you are going to make? Which color? Okay. Which color flower pot you are making, beta? Yes. Blue flower pot. Very nice. Which color flower pot you are going to make? Red. Okay. Show me. Show me. Very nice. So friends, you can see how nicely she is decorating by her own way. I'm enjoying a lot with her. What about you guys? Please do comment on the comment section. And yes, also please like, share and subscribe the channel. क्या हुआ? Thank you. लगा रही हैं. ठीक. उल्टा. Oh हो. Very nice. Very nice. अब फिर से ब्लू फ्लावर्स लगाने जा रही है. वाह वाह, वेरी गुड. रिमूव दिस. अरे वाह भाई. भैया आप कौन सा फ्लावर बचा हुआ है? विच कलर फ्लावर्स? येलो रोज. ओके, बहुत सुंदर बना रही हो ना. वेरी गुड. सनफ्लावर. सनफ्लावर किस कलर का होता है? येलो. वेरी गुड.
और उसमें फूल तो होता है ना.
हाँ बहुत सुंदर बनता है ना भैया.
हाँ कितने सुंदर है मामा. अब मुझे फूल बचा है.
Do comment your views and also share this video. Thank you. अब कौन सा बच्चा है? रेड. लास्ट है. वेरी नाइस. और अब रानी बेटी इसी तरह से कंप्लीट करने वाली है. हो गया? ऑल डन. शो मी द बोर्ड. Wow, this is very nice. Wonderful flower pots of red color and which color is there?
Purple.
Yes, and
Red, blue, and red, and yellow.
yes,
And blue.
yes.
And red, and blue.
Very good. And
Yellow.
wonderful. Show me once more. Pick it up. That's nice. Great job. Clap for yourself. So friends, कैसा लगा आपको ये लर्निंग इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वंडरफुल वीडियो? उम्मीद है आप सब इसको बहुत एंजॉय करे होंगे और सीखे भी होंगे कि प्लांट क्या होते हैं, फ्लावर पॉट क्या होता है एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. So friends, let me know how it was. Please comment me on the comment section and also please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में. Take care and stay safe.